All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're working on today is the RV. And what we're gonna be doing today is coating the roof. Um, you could, I'll take you up there and show you. It's starting to chip and peel away just from, the elements and all that good stuff. But definitely needs to be done, especially if we want to maintain the camper and have no leaks. So that's always a good thing. So let's get up there and I'll show you. All right, so as you can see, starting to get the little cracking and chipping of the paints, and it's getting pretty bad in a lot of spots. Definitely need to resurface and coat this. And we already got our Better Boat mildew soap gun up here. We're gonna go ahead and spray this down really good, and got our big brush. We're gonna brush everything, get all the mold and grease and whatever else is up here, dirt, get it all off of here, get a nice clean surface so we can go ahead and start rolling the new coating on. So all right, that's what we're gonna be doing, so let's get into it. All right, so once we got a good scrub and soap in there, we're gonna go ahead and just hit it with some regular water. Get all that stuff off of here, all the grime. But this just gets the majority of it off right now, and then pressure washer will do really good. You can see where that was all molded around there, and now it's white where the antenna was. All right, so another thing you want to do is also make sure that your gutters are clear, which I already did mine, but those can get clogged up and then cause water to come back over and then on the side of your RV or your camper. All right, so let's go ahead and hit this with the pressure washer. All right, looks pretty good, so we'll let it dry. We might even get up here with the blower and help it dry a lot faster and go from there. All right, so we could definitely help dry things along with our vacuum here, with our blower. All right, so at this point you're gonna let it dry, and if you need to touch up anything, this is just duck patch, RV duck patch. There's all types of different brands and stuff. This is what I use. And just make sure that nothing's cracked coming up. If it is, go ahead. This is the time to do it before you go painting the roof. And also our sides here, we're gonna go ahead and peel this off and put some new stuff on. So we'll get the ladder out and actually get that done. Yep. But everything else looks pretty good. And we'll just have to wait for it to dry. And if you do put this stuff on, you have to wait 24 hours before painting. So we're probably gonna end up painting tomorrow, but we'll get all the grunt work done today and have a nice easy day tomorrow. They heard there was RV duck patch going on up here. Whack, 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 whack. Come on. Patch it up. Alright, we'll just patch up some spots. Oh. All right, it's coming along. So we'll just continue it and go from there. All right, got the front there all done. Let's go ahead and start working on the sides here. All right, all set. So we'll just wait 24 hours and we'll get back up there and start painting. All right, so we're back up here and it's actually 2 days later. I wanted to wait for a nice sunny day and this is all dry now. And you do need to wait 24 hours anyways for it to cure. But we're all set here. Sun is out. Let's go ahead and get our paint, our coating here, and we're actually using more duck coat, RV duck coat. So we got our roller, we got our pans. Let's get some of this in the bucket and we'll start spreading it. And we're gonna use our paintbrush for around all the top pieces here for the heater, all of our vents and all that stuff. Spots we can't get to with the roller too well. So what I think we'll first do is go ahead and just paintbrush this whole front area here, and then we'll do the roller on the rest. Now we can go ahead and use the roller to start getting the big areas here. All right, definitely coming along pretty good. We might need to do a second coat. We'll see how this goes. But yeah, looking so much better. All that prep work was worth it to get all that stuff off of here. So now we're gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna paintbrush around all this stuff just to make it that much easier, so then all I gotta do is roll. So let's get doing that. All right, so while that first coat is drying, we're going around and we're getting all the edging now. And we can take a look up here. Oh, look how nice that looks. We will be doing a second coat on there, just to, because you can still kind of see where some of the paint was chipped up and the coating. So, I mean, we got as much as we could scrubbing and with the pressure washer, but I think 2 coats will definitely do it. This hasn't been done in a while, so you shouldn't have to do more than 1 bucket of paint, but we're gonna be using 2. But it'll be all set for quite a while. And then all we'll have to do is touch-ups, not the whole thing again. So we're just gonna continue all the way around, and then once we get done, we'll get back up on the roof. But looking good. Do need to pressure wash it. I'll be done after all the painting. All right, so everything is done now. That's our first coat. So let's get back up there. It's nice and dry, and we'll get our second coat going here. And it does, I was reading the bucket, it does recommend to do 2 coats. All right, so same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and paintbrush around all the stuff up on here, and then we'll get our last coat on. All right, so yeah, second coat makes a heck of a difference. So, all right, let's finish her up. Second coat is all done, and we're all done. So let's get up there, take a look, and see how it looks. All right, so I hope you enjoyed. Glad I got this done before the winter hit here. And I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for all types of products like this for going ahead and doing your roof, and also the silicone and all that good stuff. Once again, make sure you like, subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Go ahead and smash that button. Helps the channel out. And we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.